What if turning big ambitions into real progress was as natural as having a conversation? With Plansom, you can build personalized action plans to reach any goal, business or personal, in minutes. At Plansom, we believe in giving your ideas a home, a place where everything you want to achieve lives side by side, ready to be shaped into action. Whether you're an independent professional juggling multiple projects, a small business owner looking to scale, or someone ready to bring their personal passions to life, Plansom is built for you. In just a few clicks, our AI takes your scattered thoughts, career goals, creative endeavors, personal growth targets, and transforms them into step-by-step plans you can actually follow. It's magical, and it makes getting started on achieving something big so much easier. With Plansom, there is no more guessing what to do next. As soon as your personalized action plan is ready, you get step-to-step guidance on what to do. Our AI coach helps you find your quick wins and is there to help support you and making your dreams come true. Ready to start hitting your goals? Try Plansom free today and feel the difference. This is your story. Let Plansom help you write the next chapter, one actionable step at a time.